Hello guys, this is Priyank Kotak and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel Technology. And in this video today I'm gonna teach you the last step and fourth step of this, how to solve the Rubik's Cube series, right? So in the last video what you need to do is just turn it downside, and now this one is your bottom side, right? So here you need to find like this. Okay, so this one is front facing side, right? So now just turn it right, up, move like this, down, back. Okay, done. Now here you can see like this. Now we need over here the plus sign of yellow. So again the same step. Like this, down, okay, back, zero. Okay, so here as you can see plus sign over here, right? Now what we want is we want this one to be like the middle one's color, right? This is not the matching color, red, and this one is orange, so it's not at the perfect place. This one is at the perfect place, this one is not over here, then this one is, right? So for that you need two pieces at its perfect place and at nearby sides, right? So for that let me check how we can do that. No. Okay, so we can do that. All right, so for that what you need to do is first of all, okay, so like this. So first of all you need to push it like this, turn it down, turn it up, 2 times, turn, down, single turn. Now you need to check. No, not yet. Not at the perfect place. No worries. We'll do it again. Okay, no, so now you can see green and red are at its perfect place and these two are not. So we'll do the same. Red and green are at its perfect place. So up, turn, down, turn, up, 2 times, turn, down, turn. Now as you can see, blue, orange, green, red all are at its perfect place. Now what you need to check is this one. Here's the red and green, red and blue, red and blue. Okay, perfect. Now this one is red and green, here's the orange and here's the blue. This one is not in at its perfect place. So for that what you need to do is, and here also you can see orange and green, but here's the red and here's the green, so this one is not at perfect place, and this one is also not, right? So for that which one is at your perfect place? Okay, this one, red and green, right? So for that left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. Okay, now as you can see this one is not at its perfect place, not this one, not this one. Okay, so the only change. Now you need to do it again. You need to do this again and again until you find the perfect position of all the boxes, right? So here's red and green, orange and green, so now at it's perfect plus. Now the last and easy step is just turn it down, left, up and right. You need to do this until you find yellow over here, right? So down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Okay, so here you found yellow. Now change the slide. This one is your side, so just change the upper ones. Right, so down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Okay, now this one here we need yellow. Down, left, up, right, down, left, up, up and okay, right. Okay, now the last. Down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, and last one. Down, left, up, right, and here you can see this whole little Rubik's cube. Thanks so much guys, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I might help to clear your idea to solve this Rubik's cube. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video if you find it helpful. Thank you, and you can post your questions in comment section below. Thank you so much guys.